Best PS Plus multiplayer games, extra and premium tiers. PlayStation Plus has undergone a huge transformation since the relaunch in 2022. The new upgrades in the gameplay are multi-tiered, offering multiple perks, including access to hundreds of games. For the fans of multiplayer, PS Plus Extra and Premium come with a big collection of competitive games. Dead by Daylight. Dead by Daylight is one such asymmetrical horror game where 4 survivors clash with 1 killer. The survivors have to work together to repair generators and escape, and it's the killer's job to hunt them down. This gameplay, with frequent updates introducing new killers and survivors, never let the game grow stale and boring. For Honor. For Honor unites the iconic warrior archetypes of history, including knights, samurai, Vikings, and more. Players can choose from more than 24 heroes, each uniquely or variably skilled at different things and playstyles. Mortal Kombat 11. This version of the beloved fighting game Mortal Kombat 11 is top of the line and has expansive online multiplayer gameplay. The robust combat mechanics will well reward strategic players, while the story mode of single player is an extremely gory but over-the-top thrill ride. Online modes include casual matches, ranked sets, and tournaments, which cater to all types of casual and competitive players. Assetto Corsa Competizione. It's a realistic racing sim and isn't a lazy game since it demands some skill and commitment. There's always an online community dedicated to Assetto Corsa Competizione, with which players can engage in intense racing competitions so they can hone skills and fine-tune car settings. Realism physics and authentic tracks create an addictive experience. Demon Souls 2020. Demon Souls is a remake of this cult classic. It offers optional PvP and co-op modes. The players can invade other players' games and have intense battles for souls. They can also summon an ally to play together. This game, with its challenging gameplay and atmospheric world, will bring, in part, a peculiar multiplayer experience. Benefits of PS Plus Extra and Premium. Access to hundreds of PS5 and PS4 games. New titles added every month. Classic games from PS3, PS2, PS1, and PSP eras. Premium tier. Online multiplayer capabilities.